Are you frustrated with random teammates in Apex? Well, you're not alone. But the truth is, if you know how to work with them, you can turn chaos into consistent wins. Here's the thing, Apex is a team game. Even if your squad is random, communication and smart play make a huge difference. Here are a few things that you can do to help with working with your teammates. Step 1. Always ping. Don't rely on voice chat alone. Use the ping system for enemies, loot, and rotations. It keeps everyone on the same page. Step 2. Stick together. You don't have to glue yourself to them, but staying within about 50 meters makes it easier to trade shots and survive fights. Step 3. Play off their pace. If your randoms are aggressive, support that push. If they're hesitant, focus on positioning and cover fire. Fighting the rhythm usually ends in disaster. And also, don't expect people to play perfectly. We're not all perfect players. Sometimes we just want to have fun and do our own thing. So instead, what we can do is be the consistent player. Carry the comms, stabilize fights, and you'll notice your win rate climb. See, I've been playing Apex for a while, and the fastest way to get better with randoms is to lead by example. Apply these steps into your next match, and you'll be surprised at how much smoother your games feel.